Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. So guys, this collection is all about the Christmas garland ideas for your porch area, for your front door and outdoor decoration ideas. Most demanding articles are available for my viewers who are watching my YouTube channel on daily basis. Christmas width designs and the Christmas garland ideas are the most trendiest part videos. Most trending, most viral, most unique ideas are uploaded on my YouTube channel. Only updated the ideas, only updated the width designs that decor your home very elegant, very stylish. So guys, if you are searching and if you are interested in this type of videos and in this type of collection, then your home decor very outstanding. So guys, watch, like and comment. Christmas is a beautiful event and Christmas is the most demanding articles are available for my viewers, and the designs and the articles are so adorable because the Christmas is most unique and the most trendiest and the traditional festival, and everyone waiting for this festival whole the year. How to decor and how to celebrate the Christmas festival. Everyone watching and everyone searching the best Christmas decoration ideas. So guys, you are watching the best YouTube channel, that you are on the right place. Watch, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel searching and Christmas first designs, the Christmas articles, decorations, a huge amount of variety and a huge amount of collections are available on my YouTube channel. So guys, watch, like and comment, keep watching, stay with me.